Prepare yourself, because today we're diving into the most astonishingly bad drivers out there. These idiots will leave you completely flabbergasted. Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. Check out this idiot in a taxicab almost causing a wreck with that reckless merge into the express lane. Another bad Vancouver driver cruising right through the bike lane.
Is that a car? A car in the bike lane. Vancouver.
This idiot is driving the wrong way around Stanley Park. Unbelievable.
Why is their car going this way? Going the wrong way. This Stanley Park is one way, that guy's going the wrong way, and there's two cars behind me. If they were in the passing lane, they would have had a head-on collision.
Completely clueless in the parking lot. Didn't even bother to look as far as I can tell. Typical BMW driver. So many close calls. This minivan just goes straight on an advanced left arrow. Genius move. This driver pulls out right in front of traffic, and my car gets smashed in the collateral damage. I'm turning now. What would the liability be? This guy flipped me the bird. Was I in the wrong? Oh, of course. Stop at a green light so you don't miss your turn.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Idiot. Moron.
Today, I witnessed a hit and run in a parking lot.
Because what? Oh.
Oh, just that, with the phone strike.
Yeah, they hit a car behind them, so I'm just gonna get up, get their license plate, and see if I can get it to the owner of the car.
Are you at Costco?
No.
This idiot thinks the lane closed for construction is his personal turn lane. Here's why you should never leave your keys in the car with the doors unlocked while you're at the pump. This Volvo driver tries to cut in front of me instead of just merging behind. Talk about getting foiled by his own plan. It finally happened. She claimed she didn't see me.
Burger King only for a limited time.
If today I got back to doing Sunday brunch with my sister, it's because a month ago.
A few moments later.
If you need help getting out of debt, contact us today.
Is it ever okay to go over the speed limit just to pass someone? Is it just me, or is this totally dumbfounding? This 22-year-old driver claimed he hit my wife's car because she braked too quickly. This white BMW Series 5 isn't happy that I merged in first. What is this? Tackling roundabouts? Passed me on the shoulder and kicked up a bunch of rocks that hit my car. Almost hit a motorcycle. Am I at fault here? Yesterday, there was an accident near the Tacoma Dome, possibly due to hydroplaning. Turn lanes and red lights are just mere suggestions for some drivers.
Two hours later.
Lanes are for the weak, apparently.
A few moments later.
I guess if you gotta go, you gotta go. My girlfriend's white car got into an accident. Please, look before you turn. This car accident happened right in front of me on my way home on Friday. Why do you really want to be in front of a truck? Vandy fans are transporting the goalpost to the Cumberland River. Here's a sample video and my first impressions. What else could go wrong? Look, it's the Cybertruck in the wild again. Check out this black sedan driving on the wrong side of the road. Close call alert. Welcome to Toronto Steeles Avenue. Seattle driver using turn signals? What a rarity. Just got sideswiped by an 18-wheeler. Is this safe? This idiot almost hit some kids in a crosswalk. Red light runners are the worst. Stop signs are just suggestions when you're hauling a trailer, I guess. And you wonder why insurance rates are skyrocketing. My car just got hit by another car. Close call with the deer. People like this are exactly why reverse cameras became mandatory in cars from 2017.
Hang on, we got someone backing up.
Wait!
And that's an insurance claim.
For honking. Yeah, and you're...
A stalled car in the left lane on I-30 sends a Mustang right into the ditch. Don't focus on the white van. Why aren't you going 50 in a 35? Who's at fault? Cutting across multiple lanes without a pause. Never trust traffic lights, everyone. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.